If you're using X or Twitter application, sometimes you may change app visibility to light mode or sometimes to dark mode. But one thing is that if you're setting it to system, if you're changing your phone settings to dark mode, that app will also change automatically to dark mode. And if you're changing that phone settings to light mode, automatically that app will also change to light mode. If you want to set it like that, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, open X application. And when you're opening X application, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Click on this option. And when you're clicking on that, here you can see Display option. Click on Display. And here you can see so many options. Here one option is there, System. You can select that System option. After that, if your phone is in light mode, this application will also be in light mode. And if your phone is in dark mode, this application will also be in dark mode. So this way, you can easily set dark mode or light mode on X or Twitter in a way that it'll change according to phone settings. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.